How to see Facebook login devices and locations. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right in. Start by heading over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Head over to See More in Account Center. Inside Account Settings, you need to head over to Password and Security. Inside Security Checks, move into where you are logged in at the very top. And then it will land you on this page. Select your Facebook account. So in this page, it will show you all the devices in which your account is logged in. Likewise, you can also see the location right below the device they are using. So this is simply how you can see Facebook login device and location. That's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.